Hello friends, welcome to CRS classes. Friends, in our previous video, we have talked about noun and its type. Today, we will do exercise based on nouns. I have already told you in my previous video that generally there are 4 types of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. If you have not seen that video, then I will send the link in the description box. Now, common noun and proper noun. Question 1. Circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. In this question, we have to circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. The St. Louis Zoo has an elephant named Roger. In this question, the word Zoo is a common noun. But if we specify the name of the zoo, that is St. Louis, then it is a proper noun. Elephant. Elephant is a common noun. But if we specify the name of the elephant, that it is given here Roger, it is a proper noun. My dad took us to the restaurant. In this sentence, the word dad is a common noun because if we give the name of the dad, like if you tell the name of your father, then it is the proper noun. But the word dad or father is a common noun. Also, the word restaurant is also a common noun. Okay, friends? Third point. It is very hot in Africa. Here, Africa is the name of a country, so it is a proper noun. During the month of June, month is a common noun, but name of the month, June, is a proper noun. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Here again, Mount Everest is the name of the mountain, so it is a proper noun, and the word mountain is a common noun. Millie plays with her brother. Millie is the name of a girl, so it is a proper noun. We will underline it. And brother, it is a common noun, so we will circle it. Okay, friends? Now, question number 2. Read a common noun and write proper noun to go with it. Here, common nouns are given and you have to give the proper noun for it. For example, common noun is state. So you can write down the name of the state. So it will be a proper noun. Like you can write down MP, UP, Delhi. Anyone you can write down. Day. Day is a common noun. But if we specify the name of the day like Monday, Tuesday, so it will be a proper noun. Boy. Boy is a common noun, but name of the boy like Rahul, Rudra, it is a proper noun. Again, month is a common noun, but name of the month like April, May is a proper noun. Festival. Festival is a common noun, but name of the festival like Diwali, Holi is a proper noun. Country like India, USA is a proper noun. Friends, I hope now you understood the exercises based on common noun and proper noun. Now we will move on collective. Collective noun. Question 3. Complete the sentences using collective nouns below. We have to use these collective nouns to complete these sentences. My grandmother has a dash of keys. What we call the group of keys? We call Group of keys, bunch. My grandmother has a bunch of keys. There is a dash of dolphins in the sea. There is a pod of dolphins in the sea. Every morning, a dash of birds sits near my window. Every morning, a flock of birds sits near my window. Group of birds is known as flock. I love that dash of musicians. I love that band of musicians. A dash of robbers was caught by the police. A gang of robbers was caught by the police. A dash of soldiers marched along. A troop of soldiers marched along. Okay. Now, abstract noun. Abstract nouns are those which we cannot see, touch, feel or smell. Because abstract noun are the qualities of a person. Okay friends. Now, circle the nouns that you cannot touch or see. You have to circle those nouns which you can't touch, see, like pin. Pin you can touch. Honesty. Honesty you can't touch. So, honesty is the abstract noun. Book, you can touch the book. Power, you can't touch the power. So, it is an abstract noun. Pride. Pride also you cannot touch. Cat, you can touch and feel. Love. Love you cannot touch. So, it is also abstract noun. Mirror, you can touch. Strength. Strength also you cannot touch. Student, you can touch. Faith, knowledge, both are abstract nouns. So friends, I hope now you understood all the concept of noun. If you understand the video and you like it, then you can like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of my video. Thank you.